What's up, guys? Pragmatic Pete here, and today we're going to be trying to figure out how to repair a broken rear seat release knob on an Acura RSX. So, see, a lot of people have this problem. These knobs are made of plastic and they break. So I'm going to try to figure out how to remove this. I've read a couple different ways to do it. Some people say you can just pop this off with a screwdriver or a needle nose, and some people say you got to remove the whole seat. So that's what I'm going to figure out. Okay, so after looking at this for a few minutes, I noticed something really important. We'll look at this working knob so I can kind of show you. When you press the seat, well, I did it too fast. When you press the seat into the locking mechanism, it's got these hooks here. There's one on both sides, and that's how the seat locks in. When you do that, the knob goes up, see, like that, and then locks into place. So what I was able to do to release this seat with the broken knob is I got a flathead screwdriver, and I just stuck it in there, and obviously I've marred this pretty bad, but to get this collar to replace, it's like $5 or less, and then the knobs, if you like, I think you can get this whole thing for like less than 20 bucks. I'll put the part numbers on screen for you. But anyways, I put my flathead screwdriver in here, and then with quite a bit of force, I kind of just fished it upwards. I raised it up, and then I grabbed that with needle nose pliers and pulled up on that, and I was able to release the seat. So now that I've got the seat released, I can reach the knob in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and just push up on it. There we go. And now that knob is poking out. And I've read that you can just twist that and it'll come out. So I'm gonna give that a shot and see if it works. Okay, so it actually was as easy as that. I just kept my finger on the latch release on the back to keep the knob poked out as much as I could, and I literally just twisted this thing off. So that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and especially when I'm reading reviews or advice that says you have to remove the seat. So I'm going to try to get this collar off too, because obviously I've messed that up pretty good. And then we'll grab our new knob, brand new knob, and our brand new collar, and we'll install those. First, I got to figure out how to get this thing off. Okay, so I was able to get the knob off. Looking at I just looked at the new part to kind of figure out how it works, and it's just like most fasteners on these cars. So this part is placed in like that. It seats around this metal part in the seat, and then it's got like a little ridge on it. So what I did as I had it on, of course, I put a flathead screwdriver underneath the collar, and I could see on the inside where those prongs are. There's the 4 legs, and I pressed on those pretty hard and pushed up, and I did that all the way around until it eventually kind of worked its way out. So this is trash. Obviously it's in terrible shape. This is from me trying to fix this multiple times before without using my brain. So that's trash. So now let's reinstall the new piece. Should just pop right in. It should. There we go. I was kind of expecting a click or something, but no. All right, now let's grab our new knob. Okay, I'm making a little progress here. I actually had to kind of force this down in. You don't want to thread it right off the bat. I just pushed it in pretty hard. That worked. So let's see if we can thread it in the rest of the way. Keep in mind we've got the release pushed all the way out, so it's going to stick out a little bit. Okay, it's starting to get tight. I think we're good. Go ahead and pull down on that release in the back. See if it works. Oh, something's not right. All right, I was having some serious issues getting this thing to work correctly. It was just sticking really bad, so took the threading off of this, sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in there, and I also sprayed some WD-40 along this here, and there's a tension, there's a spring on the side, kind of hard to see, And now, check it out. It works. All right, that's the first time. This has been broken for 5 years. It took me about 5 minutes to fix it. How cool is that? Thanks for watching.